Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Naved Khan. This is our day 14 of SQL LeetCode problem series. Today we solve 1934 confirmation rate. If you are new in the channel, make sure like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And also you can check full playlist in the description. So we have a table. We have two tables. The first one is signups and the second one is confirmations. And in first table, we have a column name and its type. There are two columns, a user ID and timestamp. User ID is the column of unique value for this table. Each rows contain information about the sign up time for the user with user ID user. ID user ID, okay. And here we have a second table that's name is confirmation. Here we have we have a column name and here its type, and here there are three columns. The first one is unique ID, timestamp, and action. User ID, sorry, here is user ID, okay. So here user ID and timestamp is the primary key combination of a column with the unique value for this table. User ID is a foreign key reference column to the signup table. Action is an enum category of the type confirmed and timeout. Each row of this table indicate that the user with ID user ID requested a confirmation message at timestamp and that confirmation message was either confirmed or expired without confirming timeout. Here we have to do the confirmation rate of user in the number confirmed message divided by the total number of request confirmed confirmation message. The confirmation rate of the user did not request any confirmation message is 0. Round the confirmation rate to two decimal place. Write a solution to find confirmation rate of each user and return the result table in any order. Here we have a input sign up table, here user ID and here timestamp, and here confirmation table, and here we have to print output user ID and confirmation. You should read this for better understanding. Next we go and write here select user ID. We have to print here user ID, I think. Yes, here we have to print user ID and confirmation rate. Confirmation rate. Uh, where from sign up table, signups, signups table, and now this as a we take as a S, okay, and now we write here left join. Left joint means all first table data joint combined in the second table. Okay, and there the second table have is confirmations as a C. Okay, and on S for sign up and C for confirmation. So here we write S user ID is equal to C user ID. Okay, and now group by s dot user id, and here we have to write s. Why? Because this user id for the table from sign up, that's why here user id, and this is a confirmation. So here we write as a, firstly we round up, I think here mention, yes, round the confirmation rate to decimal. So here we write round some action is confirmed. Okay, now we write here confirm and here we take a count, and now here or two decimal. Okay, and here one thing more. Now we take bool this is null. So here we write is null method, and now here we write 0.00 as a confirm. Okay, now we run this for checking all test cases. Error y is null. Sorry, not is null. We take here if null. It means this is null or not. Is null, I think is null is also a matter, but I don't know. Here a wrong answer. Why we have to check. Here confirmation rate is 0, 0, 1 and 0.5 and but here is 0.8, 0.25 and 0.6. But here we take this. That's why we have to check this. Select as dot user ID. Yes, it's correct. If null, yes, and round sum. Action is equal to confirmed. Yes, and then we take account asterisk for 2, yes, and 0.00, yes, as a confirm. From sign up as S, and left joint is confirmation as C, and on S dot user ID is equal to, or is equal to, that's why this is wrong. Now it's corrected and accepted. Now we submit the code. Yes, all 14 out of 14 test cases passed. So we will meet in the next video. So make sure you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.